This is what my beautiful egg looks like. Doesn't it look fake? Aye! Gordon Ramsay style. Girl! Ow! It's cold pressed celery juice and it's disgusting AF. Sorry about it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sonia and today's video is going to be a cooking video. I'm going to be showing you all the stuff that I prepared for myself for the week. So it's a what I ate in a week video. Yay! I try to keep it pretty healthy because I'm supporting the running that I'm doing in the morning. Now, if I ate like a complete asshole, it defeats the purpose, kind of cancels each other out. Sometimes, you know, the running that you're doing is not really covering the calories that you're intaking. I was actually on the phone with my mom this afternoon and she said she just can't have salads. So yes, there will be a salad or two in this video, but it's not the majority of the food that I eat. I like to eat, okay? Not just eat bushes and a flower, girl. I need some food, okay? I know a lot of us have really busy lifestyles where it doesn't allow us to spend too much time in the kitchen. Every single meal in this video, you can whip up in less than 10 minutes. I'm a mom myself, so I don't have much time to be around. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel if you have not already joined my family, and let's get in the kitchen. This morning I'm going to be making an omelet. I'm going to be using 2 eggs, some veggies that I have stored in this little bin for making salads and omelets and stir fries and things like that. So I'm going to saute the veggies first, that way that they're not like hard in my omelet. I also am going to toss in a little bit of this minced garlic here from Trader Joe's, some black olives, and some feta cheese in the brine. A little bit of cilantro, a little bit of onion. Cook those up real nice. Gordon Ramsay style. Girl! Ow! It smells good in here. I just pour them in there like this. We're going to take a non-stick spatula and move it around. First, move it around and just start scooching it all over the place. You want to keep it moving so it doesn't burn. And this is what breakfast looks like. Super easy, only took me maybe 5 minutes to make. I'm gonna make a quick lunch, and this is just a portion of a salad kit that I had set aside. You can see I have some of the dressing here as well. So I'm going to add some of that dressing, not all of it, just some of it. Then I'm going to add a couple of little fresh mozzarella balls, and I got this from Trader Joe's. And that way I can grab some of that olive oil with the seasoning in there too. Add it to a bowl and throw a couple of olives on top, and that will be it. And there we have it. This is going to be my lunch. So compared to my hand, you can see kind of like the size of the salad. So it's a good size. It's gonna keep me nice and full and satisfied going into the evening. For a special treat, I'm going to be making myself some coffee. I used this skinny syrup that I found from Home Goods, and it was on sale. Like it says $3.99. They have so many different flavors, so I just used just a little bit, like a splash of that. I made some of this Ethiopian pea berry organic coffee from Trader Joe's, and this coffee system here is just like a pour over, is from Amazon, I believe. And then all I'm gonna do is use this frother that is also from Amazon and a little bit of milk. Okay, just like this. So good and frothy. It's been a couple of hours since my run this morning. I had a cup of coffee, and now I'm making myself an avocado toast. So I've got my avocado in here. In here we have some lime juice. We also have some seasonings, so pepper, oregano, red pepper. We have some ground cumin there too. I have some random vegetables grilling in the comal right now. I also threw a little bit of feta in here, and I'm frying an egg. This is what my beautiful egg looks like. Doesn't it look fake? It looks like too perfect. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of salt on top and pepper. Aye! I'm cooking these up in a cast iron skillet or a comal. So bomb, it smells amazing in here. And this is what it looks like before I tear it up. So good. It's gonna be super filling and get me throughout the morning and into the afternoon. Okay guys, so I'm going to be making my vegan ceviche. Yeah, so this is pretty much what you need to do. Throw everything in a bowl, mix it up, and eat it. You're gonna need butter beans, some heart of palm, chopped up or not, you can just chop them up. Sometimes they come in a jar in tubes and you just slice them up. I really don't like the way that they cut these up, but whatever, we're gonna go with it. We got lime, tomato, avocado. One of them is turning into a zombie, so I'm not sure if that one's gonna be good. That's why there's two out here. Purple onion for the color. I love onions though, so I have white, but I'm gonna go with the purple for color, like I said. Cilantro and also a cucumber. My mouth is watering already, so let's do this. And when I start chopping up my vegetables, this is when I start to create those bins of vegetables that can be reused over and over again. But now I'm just gonna go ahead and throw everything in the bowl, starting with the butter beans. So this is what they look like. They're really fat and the flavor is really interesting. It does remind me so much of ceviche. Then we're gonna do a can of the heart of palms. Like I said, they also come in jars. I think the heart of palm might be the most expensive ingredient, but not as expensive as buying imitation crab and shrimp. So next I'm gonna go ahead and throw in my veggies. So we have our tomato. We've got cucumber, tons of cucumber, I love cucumber. So we have a whole cucumber, a whole tomato. I just took out the seeds of the tomato. We also have some cilantro, the purple onion or the red onion, we're also going to do some avocado. We're also going to do the juice of, what was it, 3 limes? Yeah, 3 limes. Then you just give this a good toss and you're gonna add in your favorite seasoning. So I like to do like a chile powder and some salt. You can definitely put some jalapenos or serranos in here, but my son is going to be eating this as well, so I only add some salt. But yeah, this is pretty much it. Super fresh, and you can either put this on some like romaine boats, so just like romaine lettuce, and you fill the inside of the romaine, or you can do a side of tortilla chips or add this to a tostada, however you like it. I honestly can just eat it from the bowl. It's so good. In here, we've got a bunch of mixed vegetables, so I'm just going to take some of the veggies that I've already cut. We also have some bell pepper in here too. Some bell pepper that I've already chopped up. Take my... Okay. And I have some dressing from a Thai restaurant up the street. And I just ask for extra dressing when I get their salads. I mean, I ate the entire thing in like seconds, it feels like. And then I use the extra dressing for another salad because the dressing is so good. My mouth is literally watering, so yeah, all I do is just throw this on top. It's super spicy too. I wish I had the nerve to go ask for the recipe, but I'd probably mess it up anyways. And that's it. This will be my dinner tonight. Right, snack today would be some carrots and some Persian or English cucumbers. I'm going to be using juice of half of a lemon. This is not bizarre if you're Latino, okay, because, well, maybe the carrot part, but it's not. Trust me, it's the bomb. Chile lime from Trader Joe's is better than tajin, in my opinion. Oh, it's going to be bomb. I know, it's like I was going to eat something healthy and then I killed it, right? This is real life though, guys. This is what I'm eating. Okay, so I'm gonna make some steaks tonight. I'm using the Malibu seasoning that I found at, I think it was from Albertsons. So I just season it on both sides. Okay. I'll let this fall off and get it on the back there. And then in my comal or cast iron skillet, I have some butter going. And then I'm just going to grab some of that butter with the meat and just kind of lay it on top. Starting to have some really nice color on it, so I'm just going to take a fork and flip it over. Like that. And then just stick a lid on it. For the salad dressing on this arugula salad, it's going to be really easy. I'm just going to do a little bit of olive oil. I'm also going to do some fresh lemon juice, pink Himalayan salt. I'm almost out of this. I use this a lot. Love that salt. Some black peppercorn. We're gonna do some oregano and some oregano. And this is what Jude's dinner will look like. Mine will look exactly the same, except for less meat and onions in my salad. Super good and really, really fast. This cooked in maybe 5 to 10 minutes at the max, depending on how well done you want your meat. The salad literally took only like a minute to make, so super, super easy. If you guys enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments down below what plate you would be interested in recreating, or if you have a go-to meal that's really easy and quick to explain. Let me know in the comments down below. Maybe I'll recreate it on Instagram. Don't forget to follow me there as well, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!